Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the K480 and positioning it for pairing. Insert 2 fresh AAA batteries, matching polarity. A weak battery can halt pairing. Slide the power switch to on and confirm any LED glow. Place the keyboard in its built-in device cradle so your phone or tablet stays steady during setup. Once done, locate the round easy switch dial, pick an available channel, and hold the paired device near the keyboard. This gets you immediately ready to initiate Bluetooth discovery. Now pair the keyboard to your phone, tablet, or computer. On your host device, open Bluetooth settings and make it discoverable. On the K480, press and hold the easy switch button for 3 to 5 seconds until the channel LED blinks rapidly. This signals pairing mode. Back on the host, tap Logitech K480 when it appears in available devices. Confirm the numeric code if prompted. Type it on the keyboard and press enter. Make sure the dial remains set to that channel for future automatic reconnection. Finish by verifying a stable connection and keyboard layout. Open a Notes app and type several lines, testing function keys and punctuation. Mismatched layout means switch host keyboard language. If the keyboard fails to connect, turn Bluetooth off and on, reboot the host, or remove and repair the device. For persistent issues, replace the batteries and perform a factory reset. Hold ESC and the easy switch button for 5 seconds. This clears previous pairings and often resolves stuck or intermittent Bluetooth behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.